Two powerhouses in productivity, Notion and Evernote. Which one really delivers? On the left, Notion, the all-in-one workspace for notes, databases, and projects. And on the right, Evernote, the simple, powerful note-taking and web clipping tool trusted by millions. Let's skip the buzzwords and dive into the real deal. We'll score each category, and at the end, you'll see exactly who takes the crown. You might be surprised by the result. So here's what we're diving into today. We're gonna look at pricing, note-taking features, obviously, how each app handles organization, and then we'll poke at search functionality. But that's not all. We'll check out collaboration tricks, integrations, the learning curve, options for customization and templates, project management, and because it's 2025 and everyone's obsessed with it, AI features. Let's kick things off with pricing. Okay, first up, pricing. Notion comes swinging with a free plan that honestly gives you unlimited blocks and pages. If you upgrade to the Plus plan, it's just $8 a month and you get, way more tools all under one roof. Now, some of the advanced bells and whistles are locked away behind the paywall, but in my opinion, the free tier is generous enough for most folks starting out. Now, Evernote also starts strong. The premium plan is $8.99 a month, so yeah, still really affordable. You can even step up to professional at $10.99 if you get fancy. For people who just want pure note-taking, the value's actually solid. The big catch? Free plan uploads are limited to 25 MB per note, which, if you love attachments or big web clippings, can be a bummer. And like Notion, those really cool AI features? Yep, you gotta pay. So in the end, both are fairly priced, and honestly, I'm calling this a tie. Now, note-taking. Notion lets you link notes to tasks and projects and gives you this wild, free-form canvas to create documents that are part text editor, part magic Lego set. But I mean, let's be real, notes are just one piece in Notion's toolkit. Some folks might find it less, focused for pure note-taking. Evernote, on the other hand, is laser-focused on just notes. You want to jot something down quick? Done. It's super intuitive and you can clip articles from the web, scan documents, and oh, here's something cool, it can even search your handwritten stuff like notes from a meeting or a class. If you're a journalist, researcher, or serial note-taker, this is Evernote at its best. So for the art of taking notes without all the side quests, Evernote wins here. Next, let's talk about organization, because who doesn't want their digital life less messy? Notion basically hands you blocks, pages, databases, Kanban boards, calendar views, the whole kitchen sink, and says, go wild. If you can dream up a system, you can probably build it here. The catch? That blank canvas thing can be, a double-edged sword. It's super powerful but can feel overwhelming, especially if you're just dipping in. Now, Evernote's more classic. You've got notebooks and tags, nice and familiar. It's easy, you just toss stuff in the right notebook or slap a few tags on. And their AI will even suggest tags and categories now, which is handy, but honestly, if you drop a few thousand notes, things can get a little cluttered. Notion edges ahead here simply because if you want flexibility and hierarchy, it's unbeatable. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Notion was valued at $10 billion back in 2021? Meanwhile, Evernote is still rocking over 250 million registered users worldwide. That's a crazy amount of digital notes, right? Alright, search functionality. Notion's search is, well, good. It handles pretty big and complex workspaces, but if you're one of those people with a Galaxy Brain Notion workspace, things can slow down. Now, Evernote. This is where it flexes. Their search will find text inside your images and even your scribbles. No joke, if you have thousands of notes, you'll find what you're looking for fast. So for pure search superpowers, Evernote wins this round. Collaboration time? Notion is built for teams. You want real-time collaboration, leaving comments, assigning tasks, sharing with different permissions. It's all right there. And honestly, it makes team workflows kinda fun. Now, Evernote lets you share notebooks, add comments, maybe keep a shared grocery list with your significant other, but that's about as deep as it goes. If you need complex team or project work, it's not really the vibe. So Notion absolutely takes the prize for collaboration. Let's move on to integrations. Notion's got a powerful API and you can hook it up to like Trello, GitHub, Slack, Google Calendar, all the usual productivity suspects. Zapier support? Absolutely. If your workflow is complicated, Notion probably supports it. Evernote's got integrations too. It plays nice with Google Drive, Slack, Outlook, that kinda thing. It's great for personal productivity, but the integration options are a bit, narrower. So if you want to weave your notes into a web of tasks and tools, Notion is the go-to here. How about the learning curve? So Notion can be, real talk, a little intimidating at first. There's tons of power, but with great power comes a steep learning cliff. Once you get it, productivity really levels up, but just getting started can be kind of a journey. In contrast, Evernote is just so dang easy. Capture notes, organize them, done. If you want low friction and minimal onboarding, it's tough to beat. So for newcomers and people who want to get working right now, Evernote takes the win. On to customization and templates. Notion is the king here, no question. You can make whatever you want, databases, widgets, wacky layouts, all from scratch or borrow from a gigantic community template library. It takes some time to make it yours, but if you crave control, it's awesome. Evernote, meanwhile, has official templates for meetings and such, but customization stops at, like, fonts and formatting. It's all about simplicity, which, hey, is fine, but Notion just does way more, so Notion takes it. Let's not forget project management. Notion is pretty much built for it, right? Kanban boards, calendars, databases for tracking projects. It handles small tasks up to big team planning without breaking a sweat. Evernote. You can organize info, keep lists, maybe track personal goals in notebooks or with tags, but anything that feels like big project management, it sort of falls short. Notion wins hard on this one. And finally, the AI features. Notion's got automated content generation, smart tag suggestions, and lets you manage tasks with a bit of AI magic right there in any platform you use. Of course, some of the shinier tools are pay to play, but hey, same story with most modern apps. Evernote, meanwhile, gives you automated meeting notes, AI-powered organization, and some nifty content suggestions. The deeper automation isn't quite as wild as Notion's, but it covers most everyday needs. Since both require premium for top AI stuff and both are strong enough, I'd call this one a tie. So, looking at our head-to-head, you can see there are clear winners in each category. Notion cleans up in areas like organization, collaboration, integrations, customization, and project management. Evernote dominates straight-up note-taking, search power, and is way easier for new folks to just pick up and go. Here's my take. If you want something straightforward and just want to capture notes with amazing search, Evernote's honestly your best friend. On the other hand, if you want to build an entire workspace for notes, tasks, databases, and team collab, Notion is the one to beat. For solo knowledge capture, Evernote wins. For doing everything, especially with a team, Notion is the clear choice. If you found this helpful, go ahead and hit that follow or subscribe so you don't miss the next one.